Hello LeetCoders, today in this video we are going to solve this problem, product of array except itself. So that's the medium problem, and the problem statement is given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all elements of nums except nums of I. What does it mean? It means we have to return an answer for each element, the product of other elements except itself. For instance, the answer for 1 will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. All the remaining elements will be multiplied together and it will be answer for the first element, and as for the 2, for 2 all the remaining element will be multiplied together and the answer will be that for the 2 except itself. If we multiply these three numbers with each other, we will get that answer 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal 12, and again 12 multiplied by 1 again equals 12. So for 3 we will multiply the remaining elements of our array and we will get the answer as for 4, and we will get our output array and it will be the answer. So that's pretty very simple problem and we will try to solve it very easily. So let's jump into the solution. And for instance, for 1 we will multiply the left elements together and the right elements together, and then we will get the answer. So for this I am just initializing two different arrays. So the left element are not available. For this I'm writing here 1. For 1 the left element is 1 and the right element are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, that equals 24. So I will write it here and the right product. So for 2 we will multiply the left element and the right element together and then we will get the answer. So the left product for 2 is again 1 because we have only one element to the left of our this element 2, and we have two elements together, 3 multiplied by 4, it equals 12, and then we will write it in this section. So again for 3 we have two elements to the left, we will multiply them together and we will get the answer which will become 2, and the right answer for 3 is 4 with nothing, just we will write down 4 here and our right product. So again for 4 we will multiply the left elements together and we will put the answer right here in our left product array. So again 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6 and 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6 again, so we will write it here. And for the right product we have nothing here, we will simply put 1 right here. So again for our answer array we should multiply these two array together and we will get the actual answer for our output array. So 24 multiplied by 1 equals 24. I have a little space right here and I will try to write it down. So 1 multiplied by 12 is equal 12 and 2 multiplied by 4 equal 8 and 1 multiplied by 6 equals 6. So this will be the output array of our problem. So in this way we can solve it very easily, but the problem is we are using extra memory for left product and for right product. We will try to solve problem without using extra space. So we are using now big O of n square, so we will try to solve it and constant memory. How we could do that? As we know that when we declare an answer array, it is considered as the constant space. So with the help of our answer array we can solve it. So let's jump into the solution. We will declare an answer array and we will put 1 on each location of our array. So it will become like this, nums, and so by default our left product will be 1 and we will be passing through each element of our array. So and we will be storing left product and our this answer array. So for that I'm going to initialize a for loop and range of len of nums. So initially we will put on each location the left product value. After that we will just update our left product by multiplying with our nums at I location. So it will update the left product with each value and will go through every element and or this array. Same for the right product, but remember we have to go from this position to the start of our array. For this I am going to initialize another variable called right product, which will be by default to 1, and for I and range of len of nums -1, it will start from this position and it will go to this position by decrementing 1, so it will be like this. Now we have to update the values and place in our answer variable. So we know that this answer array already stores the values of left product. Now we will directly multiply the right product values within this array, and finally we will return the array. So how we could do that? Let's look at this answer at I position, multiply it with this value right product, and also update this right product with each value of our nums array. So this will be our answer, and return it finally. Yep, so this is the solution. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.